Hey guys, welcome back to Alexamaster YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna introduce you some new features in Alexamaster Interface 2023. Here, as you can see, this is the dashboard. We will take a closer look to this bar. As usual, if you want to increase traffic for the video or website, you can add them here. But now, there is a new feature that you can even add your advertisement. Don't forget to post blog page, job offer if you have demand. The Manage column would be easier for you to manage the website, videos, ads, short URL, blogs, job offers that you added. Do you want to increase your money? Click on Earn Voice. There is some tasks for you to earn more income. We just launched a new service that is Alexamaster Ads. We are pretty sure that this feature is going to help you promote your business easier than ever. With Marketplace, you can find some freelancers to help you with your work, or you can find some freelance job here. Do you want to get more social activity points? Well, you can find some friends at the networking or send them some gifts, or check if you receive some donations. Finally, don't hesitate to contact the Alexamaster support team if you have any questions.
Alexamaster.